Cryptocurrency is changing the world. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a transformative force that's reshaping how we think about money, transactions, and even trust. From the bustling streets of New York to the remote villages in Africa, digital currencies are making their mark. They offer a new way to think about money, one that is decentralized and accessible to everyone with a smartphone. It is a new way to think about money. Traditional banking systems are often slow, expensive, and inaccessible to many. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, offers a faster, cheaper, and more inclusive alternative. Imagine sending money to a friend halfway across the world in seconds without the need for a bank or hefty fees. Bitcoin showed us the power of this technology. It was the first to demonstrate that a decentralized digital currency could work. However, Bitcoin has its limitations. While it opened the door to a new financial world, it also highlighted some significant challenges. But Bitcoin mining uses a lot of energy. The process of validating transactions and securing the network requires immense computational power, leading to high energy consumption. This has raised environmental concerns and made it difficult for many people to participate in the Bitcoin network. This makes it hard for many people to participate. The high energy costs and technical complexities can be a barrier. But what if there was a way to make cryptocurrency more accessible and environmentally friendly? Enter Pi Network. Pi Network is a new type of cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin, it is designed to be mined on your smartphone, making it accessible to everyone. You don't need expensive hardware or a deep understanding of blockchain technology to get started. It is designed for everyone to use, whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who's just getting started with digital currencies. Pi Network offers a user-friendly experience. It's as simple as downloading an app and tapping a button. You can mine Pi coins on your smartphone. This means you can earn cryptocurrency without draining your battery or using up a lot of data. It's a low-energy, low-cost way to participate in the digital economy. This makes it very easy to get started. You don't need to invest in expensive mining rigs or worry about high electricity bills. Just a few taps on your phone and you're part of the Pi Network. Pi Network wants to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. It aims to create a more inclusive digital economy where everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, Pi Network brings the power of cryptocurrency to your fingertips. It is a revolution in your pocket. With Pi Network, you carry the future of finance wherever you go. It's not just about earning coins, it's about being part of a global community that's redefining money. Pi Network is built on a blockchain. This ensures that all transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. Blockchain technology is the backbone of modern cryptocurrencies, providing a decentralized and tamper-proof ledger. A blockchain is a secure way to track transactions. It's like a digital ledger that records every transaction in a way that cannot be altered. This ensures trust and security in the network. It is like a digital ledger. Every transaction is recorded and verified by the network, making it transparent and secure. This is what makes blockchain technology so revolutionary. Pi Network uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol for its blockchain. This protocol is known for its efficiency and scalability, allowing the network to process transactions quickly and securely. This makes it very efficient. More on that later. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how Pi Network is revolutionizing the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin mining requires powerful computers. These computers use a lot of energy. This makes it expensive to mine Bitcoin. Pi Network uses a different approach. Pi Network uses a process called proof of work, but it is much lighter than Bitcoin. You can mine Pi on your smartphone. You do not need any special equipment. Just download the app and start mining. Mining Pi is easy. You just need to open the app once a day. Then you click a button to start mining. The app does the rest. You can even close the app and it will keep mining. Pi Network is designed to be simple and accessible for everyone. Pi Network uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP. This is a key difference from other cryptocurrencies. SCP is very energy efficient. It does not require powerful computers. This makes it ideal for mobile mining. SCP is also very secure. It uses a network of trusted nodes to validate transactions. This makes it very difficult for anyone to cheat the system. SCP is a proven technology. It is used by many other projects. SCP allows Pi network to be fast and scalable. It can handle a lot of transactions. This is important for a global cryptocurrency. Pi network aims to be used by millions of people. SCP will help it achieve this goal. Pi network started in 2019. It was created by 2 Stanford graduates. They wanted to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. The project quickly gained popularity. Millions of people joined the network. Pi network went through several phases. These phases allowed the network to grow and develop. The first phase was the Pi testnet. This was a test version of the network. It allowed developers to test the technology. The next phase was the Pi enclosed network. This phase focused on building the community. The final phase is the Pi open network. This is the mainnet launch of Pi network. It happened in February 2025. The open network allows Pi to be traded on exchanges. Section 5. The 4 pillars of the Pi community. The Pi network community is central to its success. It is a global community of millions of people. The community is built on 4 roles: pioneers, contributors, ambassadors, and nodes. Pioneers are the heart of the Pi network. They are the users who mine Pi coins. Contributors help to build a trusted network. They verify their identity and connect with other pioneers. Ambassadors spread the word about Pi network. They invite new people to join. Nodes provide computing power to the network. They help to validate transactions. These 4 roles work together to make Pi network successful. Section 6. Understanding Pi's tokenomics and mining rewards. Pi network has a total supply of 100 billion Pi coins. These coins are distributed through mining rewards. The mining rate is halved periodically. This is similar to Bitcoin's halving mechanism. The halving mechanism ensures that Pi remains scarce. This helps to preserve its value over time. Initially, the mining rate was high, but it has decreased over time. This is because more people are joining the network. The current mining rate is 0.2 Pi per hour. This rate will continue to decrease as the network grows. The halving mechanism ensures that all Pi coins will be mined eventually. This will take many years. Section 7. Mainnet launch and the future of Pi network. Pi network launched its mainnet on February 20th, 2025. This marked a significant turning point for the project, which had been in development for several years. The anticipation leading up to this event was palpable, with pioneers from around the world eagerly awaiting the transition. This was a major milestone for the project. The mainnet launch signified the transition from a testnet phase to a fully operational blockchain network. It was a moment of celebration and validation for the community that had supported Pi network from its inception. The mainnet allows Pi to be traded on exchanges. This means that Pi coins, which were previously only available within the network, can now be bought, sold, and traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. This opens up new opportunities for pioneers to utilize their Pi coins in real-world transactions. It also allows developers to build decentralized applications or dApps on the network. These dApps can range from financial services to social media platforms, all powered by the Pi blockchain. This fosters innovation and provides a platform for developers to create solutions that can benefit the entire community. The mainnet launch was successful. The transition was smooth and the network quickly stabilized, allowing users to start transacting and developers to begin building on the new platform. The success of the launch was a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Pi network team. Millions of pioneers migrated to the mainnet. This migration process involved transferring their Pi coins from the testnet to the mainnet, a crucial step in ensuring the security and integrity of the network. They verified their identity and transferred their Pi coins. This KYC, Know Your Customer process, was essential to prevent fraud and ensure that each account on the mainnet belonged to a real person. The open network is a major step towards Pi network's goal of becoming a global currency. By enabling cross-border transactions and fostering a global community, Pi network aims to create a more inclusive financial system. The future of Pi network is bright. With a growing user base and increasing adoption, the potential for Pi to become a widely accepted form of digital currency is immense. The project has a strong community and a talented team. The dedication and passion of the pioneers and developers are driving the project forward, ensuring continuous growth and innovation. The Mainnet launch has opened up many new possibilities. From new business models to innovative applications, the potential uses for Pi are vast and varied. Pi Network has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. By leveraging blockchain technology, Pi aims to create a more equitable and accessible financial system for everyone. Section 8. Pi's value and future predictions. The value of Pi is currently based on IOUs. These IOUs are traded on some exchanges. However, the price of Pi is very volatile. It is subject to speculation and market sentiment. Some analysts predict that the price of Pi could increase significantly in the future. They point to the project's strong community and the growing adoption of cryptocurrency. Other analysts are more cautious. They note that Pi Network is still in its early stages. It faces competition from other cryptocurrencies. It is important to do your own research before investing in Pi. Section 9. Navigating the risks and embracing the potential. Investing in cryptocurrency is risky. The market is highly unpredictable and prices can fluctuate wildly within a short period. This volatility can lead to significant gains, but it can also result in substantial losses. This is especially true for new projects like Pi Network. As a relatively new entrant in the cryptocurrency space, Pi Network is still finding its footing and establishing its value proposition. The price of Pi is very volatile. It can experience sharp increases and decreases in value, sometimes within the same day. This makes it a challenging investment for those who are risk-averse. It could go up or down significantly in value. The rollercoaster nature of its price movements can be thrilling for some investors, but nerve-wracking for others. There is also the risk that Pi Network could fail. As with any new venture, there are no guarantees of success. The project could face unforeseen challenges that hinder its progress. The project is still in its early stages. It is working on building its infrastructure, user base, and market presence. This developmental phase is crucial, but fraught with uncertainties. It faces competition from other cryptocurrencies. The market is crowded with numerous digital currencies, each vying for attention and investment. Pi Network must differentiate itself to succeed. It is important to be aware of these risks before investing in Pi. Conduct thorough research, understand the market dynamics, and consider your risk tolerance. However, Pi Network also has a lot of potential. Its innovative approach and growing community support are promising indicators of its future prospects. It has a strong community and a talented team. The collective effort and expertise of its members are driving the project forward. It is based on innovative technology. The underlying blockchain technology and unique consensus algorithms set it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. If Pi Network is successful, it could revolutionize the way we think about money. It has the potential to make digital currency more accessible and user-friendly for the masses. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This golden rule of investing is especially pertinent in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Always exercise caution and make informed decisions.